When we get down to the final two, we'll do the best 2 out of the 3 to see what happens when that giant. Ooh, is that the giant trophy for him? Marty, is this the. Look at this thing. How big that. Oh, no, that's the wrong one. Here's the one they get, right, Marty? No. One of these. Hey, we get our trophies from Awards by Jody. You need awards, you need to check out Awards by Jody. Here we go, first round. How about that beautiful white Ford Explorer on the outside? Who wants him to win? David Sabdo out of Chicago. Boy, this guy's gonna do some dirty driving. Outside, it's a 77, Brandon Breeze out of Rockford. How about that Ford on the inside? Who wants him to win? How about the Nissan on the outside? Ooh, I thought there'd be more Ford fans here. Well, let's see what happens. Truth be told, let's watch the starter. Well, that Nissan sure socks loud. He's got Florida plates on that car. And it says he's from Rockford. Uh-oh, Ford down the back straightaway, it looks high. Nissan. Uh-oh, he's charging hard. That Ford, here he comes. Who's it gonna be? Nissan beats the Explorer. Oh, yes. Oh, check this guy out. Wouldn't you like him living on your block? He would get up every night and every morning. Inside in the 937, it's Jeff Law in a Lincoln. Outside him, it's the 24, Casey Snow in the Mustang. Ford versus Ford. Loud versus quiet. Let's watch the starter. Holy cow, check out that Lincoln. Check out that, oh, he wobbles. Ford Mustang. The Lincoln. And it's Mustang power. Could you believe that Lincoln though? Holy cow. It's the battle of the trucks. On the inside, the 221. Well, that's who it is, the 221. That beautiful red Ford F-150. Don't have a name on him, unfortunately, but I do on this ugly Dodge Ram truck. I hate to say it, pal. That's why he's put the stickers all over it, because you can't see the rust spot. Good trick if you got a rusty truck. How many want to see the red Ford on the inside? How about the ugly Dodge on the outside? How many want to see one of them hit the ball? You guys are mean. Let's watch the starter. Look at the back of that thing. There's an alien thing on the tailgate. And I didn't know Dodge had plywood tailgates. They're lightweight, save you money, I guess, on the gas mileage. The old Ford Lightning. Hey, he's got his hand out the window and everything. Oh, well. He can haul some stuff with that old Dodge. Hey, outside it's the two-colored Miata. He's got some power to that vehicle. Hey, look at those headlights. It's a mini Herbie. Remember Herbie, that bug? Yeah. Well, it's not really a bug. Could look like a bug. Inside of the Miata, it's Michael Powell out of Belvedere in his black Ford Fiesta. Outside, it's the 26 car. Well, it is a Mazda. Well, it was actually two Mazdas at one time, but now they're together. It is Cody Armada in the Herbie Jr. How many of you want to see that black Ford Fiesta on the inside? How about this Miata on the outside? There we go. Let's watch the starter. I didn't think they could go that fast. Look at that thing. Uh-oh, he's slowing down. Here comes a Ford on the inside. Uh-oh. Miata, check out his lights. And he'll need a ride home because if you know those lights didn't come on, they just came up. There's no lights working. So you better get home before the sun goes down. And on the inside, the 70 car and the Chevy Cobalt of Zach Nicole. Outside of him, it is an Oldsmobile Cutlass out of Rockford, Illinois, Caitlin Shearer. New versus Shearer. New car, what is that? What did I say that was? The 70? Chevy Cobalt. How many want to see the new Chevy on the inside? No, I know you're all wanting. How about this Olds on the outside? Yeah, the good old American iron muscle right there. He's got a what, Marty? He's got a ratchet strap for a belt. Okay. And he's got that nice Landau top. Beautiful car in its day. Let's watch the starter. Oh. That ain't Grandma's Oldsmobile. See if he can get some power to the ground. Hear it growl. Hear the power. Well. Chevy Cobalt takes home the win. Well, that old Cutlass gave him a good run. Inside row, the 14 car out of Stillman Valley. Oh, check this guy out. He's getting his tires all warmed up. That really is a station wagon. How many of you have ever ridden in a station wagon? Do you remember the station wagons? I mean, kids today don't know a station wagon. All they know is minivans and SUVs. But that's a newer station wagon. Remember the big old boxy ones? They're about 40 feet long. Yeah. About 12 people in the thing. Inside of him, Brian Vines. And that 14, the Dodge Magnum. Outside, the Smoky Burnout King. That's the 92. I'm not, oh, let me see. We don't know. Hey, what's he saying? Leroy, did you sign in or did you just sneak in the back end? Snuck in. Hey, what's your shirt say? I gotta read this in a minute. Okay, we won't read that. Yeah, too many kids here. But meet them afterwards if you really, really want to. How many want to see the wagon on the inside? How about this beautiful white Camaro on the outside? How many you don't think he'll have any tires to finish? Hey, if you need tires, there's a place up in South Beloit called Jack's Tires. They got a good deal. You ready? Let's watch the starter. He says, my tires are out, I want to go. Well, maybe he needs to buy a new shirt as I got beat by a wagon. Oh! And I hit almost the wall. Uh-oh, problems with the wagon. What's going on here? I think this guy did sneak in. You got to run it a little rich. That's called a backfire. Wait, watch him because he's not done, I bet. See? Watch that, watch that white guy. Oh, white Camaro, man. No. He's waving. Put her hands together for him. He had a lot of fun. Did you? Yes. Getting down here to the, oh no. Yes, this is the second round. Back to conventional looking cars that were built, well, recently. Inside, it's the 77 of Brandon Breeze in the Nissan. Outside of him, the 24, Casey Snow in the Mustang. Mustang fans over here, Nissan fans, I don't know. Let's let the drivers decide this one. Let's go and watch the starter. The Nissan not giving it up yet. Mustang sounds good. Hits the brakes early. I don't know. This is going to be tough for that Nissan to recover. Mustang power. So how many think we should put the Miata in the back of the truck? And now he's flashing his lights. Oh, you love the creativity. Tommy, give me a name out of that 221. I don't really have a good name of him. I have his name, the red Ford F-150, the 221 truck, Tommy Markham. Outside of him, Cody Armato in the Herbie lookalike Miata. Sports car, pickup truck. Let's watch the starter. Off the line, side by side. And Miata builds up the speed. Truck not letting him get by. He's hiding behind him. Whoa, look at this truck. Look at this, folks. Here it is at the line. Miata by a nose or a light. Wow, whoever thought that would happen. Holy cow, the Coon Creek casters have checked in. It is now $750 to the winner. Take home tonight. And we're not done. We're not done. If you feel lucky, you need to go see those guys. And if you drive Miata, you need to go see those guys because that guy was lucky. All right, here we go. It's the 14. Brian Vines in the Dodge Magnum. Outside of him, the 70 Zach Nicole in the Chevy Cobalt. Dodge versus Chevy. Let's watch this. Not a wagon. Wagon sliding up the hill. Way up the hill. Uh-oh, he's slowing. Here comes the Chevy on the outside. Dodge powers it down. Dodge goes to the center. Oh boy, this is gonna be a good one. Mini Herbie, oh, his lights do work. Look at now, he can see better. The 26 car. That is Cody Armada. Outside of him, the 24, Casey Snow. How many Miata fans here tonight want to see him win this one? How many Ford Mustang fans here tonight? Woo! Let's see what that Miata's got up his sleeve. Getting down to the final round here on Spectacular Drags. Oh, watch the starter! This is it, folks. Oh boy. There's still more power. Now that Ford hits the brakes. Miata sideways. Mustang, paint down the wind. Hey, since he's in a Miata, he could probably hear us. Let's put our hands together, cheer up Cody Armato, that little Miata. Who thought he'd get to the final round here? Uh-oh, wait, what's he got now? A Miata burnout. Well, we've seen it all. So we're down to final rounds here. Remember I said earlier, we'll do the best 2 out of 3. They'll go one round the way you see them here tonight. Right now, second round, they'll go opposite. So if anybody's setting their car up to go this way, kind of like race car, then we'll do it that for the second round. If we do need the third round, you'll see him here the way you see him right now. How many Dodge fans want to see the wagon on the inside tonight? How many Ford Mustang fans want to see him blow his doors off? Ford fans unite, here we go, watch the starter. Oh boy. Look out. They got close. Oh, Mustang's gonna lose it right in front of him. And smashes hard into the wall. A hard hit. That Casey Snow and his Mustang. Airbags deployed. Fluid up the racetrack. Hey, he's out of the car. This 20 Ford Mustang. Put our hands together for Casey Snow. He can hear you.